Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the ASUS TUF F15 15.6-inch gaming laptop. This is the 2021 version. This particular gaming laptop comes with NVIDIA Geforce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card with 4GB of VRAM. Let's quickly take a look at what information we can gather from this box. Mostly manufacturer information, as you can see over here, and the same can be said about this side as well. Nothing on this side either, so let's open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you find inside the box. We have a thank you note from ASUS. This is a quick installation guide, or quick setup guide for this particular laptop. It's only 2 pages long. And this is the user guide. This will have more information, safety regulations, copyright information, limitation of liability, service support, everything that you want to know is given over here. This is the charging adapter. This is the ADP 180PBH. This is a 180 watt charging adapter for this particular laptop. This is from ASUS itself. As you can see, it's written over here 180 watts. I don't know if you can see this. Let me give you a closer look there. It says 180 watts right over here. And this is of course the power cable for the charging adapter. Now let's take a look at the laptop itself. So this is the ASUS TUF F15 2021 edition. Notice the TUF logo right on top. This has a unique design to it. This is of course made out of metal alloy. The variant is Eclipse Grey. This particular variant is called the Eclipse Grey variant. Let's show you what's inside. So this is the 15.6-inch FHD display. I'm going to turn this particular monitor on right now. There you go. It's turning on. I powered it on. It will come on soon. And this is the keyboard. Of course, this is not a full keyboard. This is actually a 10 keyless keyboard. You will notice there is no numpad, but however there are directional buttons over here which moonlight as the page up, page down, and a home and end button. This is obviously a gaming laptop with a gaming keyboard, which is why the WASD is different, has a different design altogether. Also notice the multimedia keys right on top, and this is your speaker system. There's also an ergonomic design on each side. Let's quickly see what information we can find on this laptop over here. Over here it says Intel Core i5. So basically this particular laptop runs on the Intel Core i5 11th gen processor, the 11300H processor in fact. And as I mentioned earlier, Geforce RTX, this particular laptop runs on the RTX 3050 Ti graphics card. Alright, anything else? It comes with DDR4 3200 RAM. This particular laptop runs on 8 GB of RAM and has 512 GB of memory. Okay, and as you can see, this has display as well. So let me just log into it. There you go. I will just quickly do this. There you go. It has started now. So notice these multimedia buttons. So when I press this button, it opens up the Armory crate. So this comes with every ASUS gaming laptop, and it gives you all the different details of this particular system. Another video will show you how to do that, but for now, this is what you find inside the box containing the ASUS TUF F15 15.6-inch gaming laptop 2021 edition. Thank you for watching.